It's been 2 years and we've come to the finish line or start line. We're ready for the Mille Miglia. We've completed the car. I think she looks fabulous. We've upgraded the cooling system, upgraded the suspension, upgraded the interior, we've fitted power steering, we've fitted that fabulous B280E Volvo engine with its own standalone electronic system. The engine's putting out just over 200 brake horsepower. Drives really well, loads of torque, buckets of torque. We now can have OBD talk to the engine. It's got its own management system, its own diagnostic system. We've fitted the headers, remember, from the Porsche Boxster, chopped them all up, rearranged them and made our own headers and made our own mufflers. I think the car looks really well. We've replaced it to the European style rear number plate surround, which I think suits the car for this part of the world. And we're good to go. So we'll be leaving here in County Derry, heading down the east coast of Ireland, down to a place called Rosslare. We'll take the overnight boat to Roscoff in southern France, through southern France, into Monaco. We're going to take you through Monaco, hopefully through the tunnel, do a part of the F1 circuit, then off to Nice, through Nice, and into Brescia in northern Italy, where the Mille Miglia starts in a few days. Hopefully we'll take you through that and show you all that. Down into Rome, then Parma, then back up to Brescia to finish the race. So looking forward to it, we're all excited. We have a support car following us. 3 of us are going, myself, Jared and Michael, who you'll meet later on.